What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect WalletConnect wallet to DEX screener. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access the official website here for DEXscreener.com, which is again is DEXscreener.com here. Now, in here there's going to be a lot of details that you can view here, but what's most important here to us is going to be at the bottom left of our screen. Now, at the bottom left, you have the name here, which is Anna, which is the default name that you get here. But you do have the option here that says sign in. So what you need to do is you just need to click on sign in, and you have three options here. Now we have the sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, and connect wallet. Now, what you need to do is you just need to click on the connect wallet option here, and again, you'll get a number of options here. First is we have MetaMask, we have Rainbow, and we also have WalletConnect. Now, if you want to sign in or connect your WalletConnect account here, you just need to click on WalletConnect, and from here you'll be able to see a scan or a kind of a QR code here that you could scan to connect your WalletConnect wallet or your account here. Now, if you need a WalletConnect model, you go and click on open at the very bottom here, and you should be able to see the model for WalletConnect here. And from then on, you just need to scan this one, and you could go and click on the copy link option here as well. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.